Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Imrik in Total War, Warhammer 3. Imrik's campaign begins in a challenging but rewarding position. Your first objective is to swiftly conquer your starting province by defeating the clan Helheim dwarves. Focus on building growth structures in your capital, like the Elven Gardens, and recruit more archers and spearmen to strengthen your forces. This early consolidation is crucial for future expansion. Imrik's unique strength lies in his ability to tame powerful dragons. You'll encounter 5 legendary dragons throughout your campaign. Always choose to challenge them, adding their battles to your quest log for later. In combat, use Imrik and your Sun Dragon to quickly eliminate enemy lords and monstrous units. Your Fire Mage, Michaela, is excellent for dealing significant area damage to grouped-up infantry with spells like Burning Head. For campaign success, focus your initial expansion eastward to secure the Dragon Isles. This area provides a strong defensive choke point. Establish trade agreements with wealthy factions like Cathay and the Dwarfs to boost your economy. Resist the urge to expand too rapidly in all directions, as this can lead to being surrounded by hostile armies. Recruit nobles to generate influence, which is vital for advantageous diplomatic actions and confederations. In the late game, Imrik's army becomes a formidable force. A strong composition includes Imrik, your Fire Mage, and several acquired dragons. Support them with Silverin Guard for a resilient front line and Sisters of Avalorn for devastating ranged attacks. Imrik himself can become an unstoppable doomstack, capable of single-handedly defeating multiple enemy armies. Focus his skill points on abilities that boost his melee defense, attack, and dragon-related buffs to maximize his impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.